So the hearing test has about 45 SC. The hearing test analyzes your hearing, and the technology is used to see if you need any medicine or any type of hearing devices. So just relax, don't worry, just have a seat and try not to move. Try not to yawn or talk too much or swallow very loud. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to open up we're going to insert some air into your ear canal. You're going to feel some pressure, kind of coming in and out, kind of a whoosh sound. And then your other ear might hear kind of a vibration or feel a vibration. And you may hear it going in and out, in and out. But don't worry. So you're going to put some headphones on, and then you'll listen. The machine will make a sound. It'll kind of go quiet. You might hear a tapping sound. Some are quiet, some are kind of loud. So you're going to put the headphones on, and if you hear a sound, a loud sound, you're going to go ahead and press the button. So then there might be a loud sound, and it might get quieter. Alright, are you ready? Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the headphones on, and then begin.